Hello friends, good morning everyone. Welcome to Educational Wing. Let's fly with success. Today is 19 November 2020. This is our current affairs session. I am Sujit Kumar Mishra, your friend and mentor here to discuss and analyze today's current affairs. It is very much helpful for all competitive examination. So try to watch the session till end for your better knowledge and preparation. And those who first visit Educational Wing must subscribe the channel for the upcoming updates. Okay, let's proceed. This was our previous three questions. We have to answer it first. Our first question was, who has won F1 Turkish Grand Prix 2020? Lewis Hamilton, Max Verstappen, Sergio Perez, or option D, none of these. The correct answer here is the driver of Mercedes, Lewis Hamilton. And remember, Lewis Hamilton from Great Britain. Okay, the second, recently the F1 Turkish Grand Prix is won by Lewis Hamilton. Okay. Our second question was, India successfully test fire quantum system from which state? Odisha, Andhra Pradesh, Bihar, or option D, Goa. Can you guess the answer here? The answer here is option A, Odisha. Okay. Recently, India successfully test fired the Quick Reaction Surface to Air Missile. Question abbreviation is Quick Reaction Surface to Air Missile System of the coast of Baleswar from Odisha. Okay. Odisha is in news. The capital of Odisha is Bhubaneswar. Chief Minister is Mr. Naveen Patnaik, and Professor Ganesh Lal is the governor of Odisha. Okay, I hope you got the facts also now. So proceed towards today's first question. First question number today's session is, when National Epilepsy Day is observed? Epilepsy Day, 15 November, 17 November, 18 November, or option D, 20 November. The correct answer here is option B, 17 November. On 17 November every year, National Epilepsy Day is observed. This day is observed to create awareness about the epilepsy. And the November month is observed as the National Epilepsy Awareness Month. What is epilepsy? Epilepsy is a one type of epilepsy is a disease which is caused due to the unusual and extreme activities of the brain. Unusual and the extreme activities of the brain. So to create awareness about this disease, National Epilepsy Day is observed in 17 November. Okay. Next question. Asia's first solar power enabled textile mill unveiled in which state? Maharashtra, Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh, or Uttarakhand? Option D. The correct answer here is, it is in Maharashtra. Option A is correct here. Okay. Recently, Asia's first solar power enabled textile mill to be unveiled in Maharashtra's Parwani district. It is in Parwani district. Okay, you can see here. Maharashtra is in news. The capital of Maharashtra is Mumbai. Chief Minister is Uddhav Thackeray, and Bhagat Singh Koshyari is the governor of Maharashtra. Okay. Next question. Second phase of Malabar exercise started in which sea? Indian Ocean, Arabian Sea, Bay of Bengal, or option D, none of these. Can you guess the answer here? The correct answer here is Arabian Sea. Option B is correct here. Recently, the second phase of the exercise of Malabar 2020 has been organized in the northern Arabian Sea from 17 November to from 17 and 18 November. Sorry, it is already over 17 and 18 November, and the first exercise of the Malabar exercise is organized in Bay of Bengal, and the second Malabar exercise is recently over in Arabian Sea. Okay. Next question. Who is appointed as brand ambassador of Equitas Small Finance Bank? Rosnara Parin, Smriti Mandhana, Mitali Raj, or option D, none of these. As per you see the image of Smriti Mandhana, the famous Indian cricketer here, the correct answer here is Smriti Mandhana. So option B is correct here. Recently, Equitas Small Finance Bank appoints Smriti Mandhana as brand ambassador for a women-centered product, EVA. Name of the product is EVA. Okay, and the headquarters of the Equitas Small Finance Bank is situated in Chennai, and Vasudevan Patangi Narasimha is the MD, Managing Director of the Equitas Small Finance Bank. Okay, I hope you got the answer now. Next question. Question number 5. Who has won ATP Tour number 1 trophy for 6 times? Novak Djokovic, Valtteri Bottas, Najami Osaka, or option D, none of these. The correct answer here is the famous tennis player Novak Djokovic. So option A is correct here. Recently, the Serbian tennis star Novak Djokovic has given the ATP Tour number 1 trophy on 15 November 2020. He got this trophy. He received this award for the 6th time. Remember, he received the award for 6 times. Okay, you can see here the image of Novak Djokovic here, the famous tennis player. Next question. Who has put Lakshmi Vilas Bank under moratorium for 1 month? Ministry of Home Affairs, Ministry of Finance, Reserve Bank of India, or option D, Niti Aayog. The correct answer here is Reserve Bank of India. Recently, Reserve Bank of India has placed the case-strapped Lakshmi Vilas Bank LVB, Lakshmi Vilas Bank, under a moratorium for a period of 1 month. And remember, the withdrawal limit of this bank is recently only 25,000. Okay, and remember, Lakshmi Vilas Bank, the headquarters is situated in Chennai. It is established in 1926, and the president of Lakshmi Vilas Bank is Avtar Singh Monga. Avtar Singh Monga is the MD of Lakshmi Vilas Bank. I hope you got the answer now. Next question. Prime Minister Modi unveiled the Statue of Peace in which state? Bihar, Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, or option D, Uttar Pradesh. The answer here is option B, Rajasthan. Recently, Prime Minister Modi has virtually unveiled the Statue of Peace. Remember the name, Statue of Peace, and dedicated to the Jain monk Acharya Sri Vijay Vallabh Surishwarji Maharaj at Rajasthan. You can see here the image of the statue. Rajasthan is in news. The capital of Rajasthan is Jaipur. Chief Minister is Ashok Gehlot and Governor is Kalraj Mishra. Kalraj Mishra is the Governor of Rajasthan. Okay. Next question. Goldman Sachs projected India's GDP to reduce by how much percentage? -8%, -9%, -6%, or option D, -10.3%. The correct answer here is -10.3%. Recently, the investment bank Goldman Sachs has received the upwards the growth of the forecast of India's in financial year 2021 is -10.3%. Okay. Next question. Question number 9. A digital museum is started in which city recently? Gwalior, Delhi, Mumbai, or option D, Cuttack. The correct answer here is Gwalior. Option A is correct here. In Gwalior, a digital museum is started, and Gwalior is in Madhya Pradesh. The capital of Madhya Pradesh is Bhopal. Chief Minister is Shivraj Singh Chauhan, and Governor of the Madhya Pradesh is Anandiben Patel. Okay, Anandiben Patel is the governor of both Uttar Pradesh and Madhya Pradesh. Next question. Who will be inaugurate the Bengaluru Tech Summit 2020? Amit Shah, Narendra Modi, Vajubhai Wala, or option D, none of these. The answer here is Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Recently, Prime Minister Modi will inaugurate the Bengaluru Tech Summit. It will be inaugurated today, okay, in 19 November via video conferencing by Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Okay, I hope you got the answer now. As per this is our question of the day, and you have to give the answer in our comment section, and we will discuss this answer in our upcoming session. Our first question is, Reserve Bank of India imposed 1 crore penalty on which bank? Our second question is, who is appointed as CEO of HDFC Mutual Fund? Please try to answer more in comment section, thereby regular practice is done by you. These two questions is very much important in exam perspective view also. So try to answer in the comment section. Okay. Thank you for watching this session. Please like, subscribe and share as much as you can, thereby many students got help. If you like the session, then you can share it in your educational related group, thereby many students got help. And those who first visit Educational Wing, a humble request to them, please subscribe the channel for the upcoming updates. Thank you. Have a great day.